Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of California Fidelity account. Let's get started. To log into your University of California's account, then what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for University of California Fidelity account login. Now after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option. It says Net Benefits login page, which is from Fidelity Net Benefits. So now what you can do is to log into your Fidelity California's account. What you can do is just simply enter your username. After entering your username, you have to enter your password. After entering your account's password, now what you can do is just tap on login. Now after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on register now, and by tapping on register now you can create a new account. But if you do have an account, or if you have just forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on having trouble with your username or password, and by tapping on having trouble with your username or password, you can easily reset or recover your account's username or password. So do that. If you are facing any trouble with your username or password, just tap on this option and then create a new username or password for your account. Or if you can't create a new username or password, what you can do is just tap on register now and then create a new account. If you do remember your account's password, or if you can recover your account's password, what you can do is just enter that password in this blank which says password and then tap on login. Now after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of California Fidelity account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.